Aloha mai nei kako o Tracie Mililani ke ia. If this is your first time joining me, e komo mai welcome. This is my Learn Hawaiian introductory video. Click on the link at the end of this vikio and you will go to Learn Hawaiian Vikio Ekahi, number 1. Now, one of the most important parts about learning a language, not just Hawaiian, but any language, is to be able to speak like a native speaker. If you need help with pronunciation in Hawaiian or speaking in Hawaiian so that you can feel confident and sound like a native speaker, then go ahead and click on the description below. And there you can watch my first vikio to my Papahana Puana, my Learn Hawaiian pronunciation series. That is my 18-part video lesson where I teach you to be able to speak and pronounce like a native speaker. You can watch the first video for free so that you can decide if you want to purchase the 18-part series. If you click on the description below and sign up to my newsletter, you'll get a free download to the first teaching lesson slide where you can see exactly what you'll be learning. If you would like more information about me, you can visit my website at traciekeolalani.com, and there you can purchase a copy of my book about my life called Life and Race Through the Eyes of a Brownish Local Girl, Tita E. Mahalo for joining me today, and I will see you in the next vikio.